And Sean's got another one on.
Keep fighting, keep fighting. Keep. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Hey guys, Tom and Julie with Truex Outdoor Sports, and we took a trip up to Petoskey, Michigan, and we had an absolute wonderful time last night. Had a little date night and everything. Just enjoyed ourselves. It was a good time. Had some amazing Italian food. Well, it was good Italian food. I can't say it was amazing, but it was pretty good. So had a good time together, and now we are on the beach in Petoskey, hoping to find some Petoskey stones and other things, and you can see the smile on her face. It's her favorite thing to do. But we ran into a little snag when we originally planned this trip, and because whether people always get things right? But you know, I have to give it to them. They do a pretty good job for how hard it is to predict stuff like that. So you know what, I'm not going to rag on the weather people. It just is one of those mistakes that happen, especially in Michigan. Yeah, so anyways, when we originally planned this trip, we were expecting a little bit of rain, like a sprinkle, and instead we have thick, wet snow happening. I can see some rocks, and so hopefully we'll be able to see something, but we're going to get out there and try to find some Petoskey stones. What do you think our chances will be?
I mean, pretty high because we're pretty good at it, but it looks kind of gross out.
No humility there, huh?
No. I found so many Petoskey stones, and here we found so many Petoskey
That's right.
stones.
You know, and something to look forward to, guys. I am thinking about going in the summer and doing a snorkel video looking for Petoskey stones. I've never done that, and it sounds really fun. I haven't seen anybody else do that. If you guys have seen a video on it, share it so that way I can see it, get some ideas. But thinking about doing a Petoskey snorkel video, so I think that would be a lot of fun. Yeah. I guess let's go out and see what we can find. Alright, so our goal was to get on this side of the beach because the wind's coming from that way and it really hurts. So we're got our backs to the wind, and we got this much beach to kind of scour. There's the lighthouse out there. What's nice is the rocks aren't really frozen, so we can kind of do like, just kind of do a kick, kind of push, and check these rocks out, I guess. Kind of kicking with my feet here. And then we can take a peek and see what we see. Sorry if I get some finger in here. It's not the easiest one we've ever done. Are you gonna film on your phone? Ooh, there's one. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. Where is it? There we go. Right there. It's a nice little one. It'll polish up really nice. Or just a little pendant or something. There's Petoskey right there. Come on, boy.
Oh, it's a cute baby. I can make an earring out of that.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking of doing with the really little ones.
So that's a really nice, you know.
Yeah. But yeah, the tiny ones I was thinking of.
Alright, so this is kind of just, it's pretty cold out, guys, not gonna lie, because it's wet cold. But it's just kind of get some clear rocks and see if you see anything. So found a little bonus find here. You see that little piece of green beach glass there? That's always nice to find, huh? Petoskey's, but found a little beach glass. That's cool. Never know what you find out here. I don't think that's I think I might leave that one just for somebody else to find. It's pretty small if they do, but hey, pretty cool, right? There's a Charlotte Boy. So you guys know the difference between the Petoskey and the Charlevoix. Charlevoix has those little fossils there, and Petoskey's have the really big hexagonal shapes that are pretty clear. So that's the difference. Alright, let's see what we got in this section here. Oh, sorry, fingers. Oh wow, check that out. That's the prettiest Charlevoix I've ever seen. I'll pick that. I missed one, honey? Oh wow. They did, in fact. Here. Petoskey. It's a faint one, but it's a Petoskey. We can probably polish it up. Yeah, but that's I love the way this Charlevoix looks. It's the lateral Charlevoix.
Flowers.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, I like that.
I found
Oh, you gotta do what you gotta do for them rocks. This is a little treacherous looking. Trying not to fall. Stick to the rail. Stick to the rail. Ooh. There are rocks, and I must look and see if I can't find a cool one. Oh, there's rocks right here. Check that out. Yeah. So these are all rocks. This is actually like a really calm little cove in the nasty storm. I'm kind of digging it. I could hang out here. It's so pretty. Oh, it's a clear spot in the water. Any goodies? There's a little bit of a half Petoskey right there. Right there. And there's another Petoskey right there. You see that? This water's pretty cool for seeing Petoskies. Various other rocks. I'm gonna try to get that out with my scooper. See if it's any good. Oh, I'm gonna have to use my boots. Sticking my cold hand in the water. Oh yeah. Check out that. That is a nice sized Petoskey. Oh yeah. Oh, and by the way, we're in Charlevoix right now. Not Petoskey. But this is another good Petoskey beach. Oh, there's a little baby one right here. Look at that. That's not bad. I can do something with that. There's some up over there too. Let's see. This looks like a Petoskey. That is a Petoskey. Yep. Right there. It's got some fossil soup in there. I'm gonna leave that one there. I'm actually pretty glad we stopped here at this calm little place. It's like, it seems to be tucked in from the big part of the bay. It's a little cove, and it's like so much calmer here than it was over at Magnus Park. So it's not as windy. And if you remove the wind factor, it's really not as bad. That is some Charlevoix stone and some other stuff. not sure. It's got a big pit in it, so I'm not gonna keep that. So I can't really do a whole lot there. Another Charlevoix. Just a little bit though, so I'm not gonna keep that. There is this Petoskey piece right here. It keeps catching my eye. I gotta look at it. Oh wow. Look at that. Got the side section. The front. That's nice. I might keep that one. Yes, I'm sticking my hands in this ice cold water. That's a Charlevoix. See the way it fans out there. Another. Alright. Alright, I found the jackpot. Well, I mean, I found quite a few. I found this one right here. Found this one right here. Just kind of a little mud ball. Let's see. Oh. There's one right here. Yeah, that's not a very good one. Totally not keeping it.
Oh, that's a sweet Petoskey.
The ones that where?
Bag.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get that on camera when you found it?
I don't know. I might have that one, and then no, I don't think I got that one.
Oh.
I did get this one though.
Okay.
See, that one's pretty sweet. Wow, there's some pretty nice ones down here, and it's got this little open thing. And I told you it wasn't that. It's not that breezy down there. It's like a sweet little haven.
Oh man, I'm gonna get wet for this one, but it's worth it. You guys see that one? Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Oh yeah, that one.
That is beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Oh, there's a... Ah, I'm gonna get wet for that one too, darn it. Ouch! Oh, that actually hurts. Like, it's pretty eaten up, but I mean, because of that, it looks really pretty. So, just working as my own personal icebreaker here. Kind of a gnarly Petoskey right here.
I like this ice scooper, but it ain't gonna scoop out some of these big honking rocks.
The show's not over yet, but we wanted to give a special thanks to these companies who have helped us out a lot along the way. Whew, so, yeah, it was really cold. You know, wet cold is way colder than dry cold, if that makes any sense. And most of you Michiganders, I think, will understand what I'm saying, but...
There's a thing called hypothermia, and it's real, and that's caused from wet coldness a lot.
I mean, like, dry cold doesn't sink into you like wet cold does. I mean, it's 32 degrees out, and I mean, we've been out in, like, you know, 12-degree weather, and it not feel so bad, but there was, wind chill is a big thing. There was tons of wind, but Julie's, I guess, is it arrogance? Yes, it's not arrogance if it's
Confidence.
Confidence. There we go. Julie's confidence was well placed.
And experience.
And experience, yes. We found some Petoskies. We probably could have found a whole bunch, to be honest, if we could stomach it. But hands started to cramp up and sting, and yeah, it was time to come in. But yeah, found some Petoskies, found some beach glass, which was not expected. And this nice little side note to the video. Couple of things, guys. We are going to be dropping our PayPal link in the description. And we're calling it our gas fund. If you want to donate to our gas fund, gas is not cheap right now, and we want to keep on doing these adventures for you. So if you guys can help us out, or filming them at least, you know, if you guys can help us out, that would be wonderful. If you can't, no worries, obviously, but yeah, go ahead and you click the PayPal link and you just send over what you want, and you can say it's for videos or whatever you want to say, but we appreciate it. I am really excited to be doing trout videos again. The Little Manistee River open, so going to be doing that here pretty soon. And yeah, so whoo, that was fun. How was it fun for you?
Well, yeah. I would have kept staying out there.
She would go until her fingers fell off. Oh man. But I'm gonna give you guys the last little look at the bay here, and then we're gonna head out.
You can't even see it. Oh, you can.
Oh, well, you can kind of see the lighthouse out there. All right, so I think that is pretty much our video for this time. I know you rock hounds will definitely enjoy it because you guys say that you feel like you're able to be right there with us. So thanks for watching, and as always, until next time,
God bless.
God bless.